If you're not sure exactly what you want to watch on Hulu, there are some very easy ways to find videos that are popular or recently added. First of all, you can simply click on Popular, where you see both TV and movies that are popular right now on Hulu. But if you just want TV or you just want movies, then click on the tabs up here to filter your search. In the movie section, you can browse by documentaries and trailers. In the TV section, you can browse by full episodes, clips, popular shows, or browse through them all. You can browse alphabetically or by network. You can also filter by channel. To learn more about channels, check out episode 6 in this series. Just click on whatever video title you like to visit the page and watch video. The Hulu homepage will show you recently added popular shows and popular clips. Just click through these arrows to view them. The homepage is a great place to find out all the hot shows that are on right now, and it's a great place to start if you're not sure what to watch. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in your guide to finding great video on Hulu series.